Hello everyone, welcome back to Protect Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually solve this error. By solving this error, I'm just going to teach you guys a way in which you can actually use the text-free application without actually using their application. Uh, I know it's a little bit confusing, but as you go into the video, you will understand it. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn how to solve this error, permanently. We must just remember one important thing. That is, even if we just navigate to this web page directly, we will still not be able to use this application. But usually this type of way was working for applications such as TextNow or second line. But in the case of text free, it's still showing us that this item is not available in our country. So what are the ways with which we can actually solve this error? Just remember, I am not going to teach you guys to install this application from a third party site other than the Google Play or Apple Store. I'm just going to show you guys a legal way where you actually install the original application of the text free and use the features legally. So what you have to do is, first of all, navigate to this website, textfree.us. I'll try to leave this website's link in the description and the first comment. So before quitting this video, please go take a look at the description and the pinned comment. So I'm just going to give you a brief introduction or summary of the TextFree application. TextFree is an application which provides us with a virtual number with which we'll be able to call and text to others for free. But right now, there has been a lot of problems going on in the text-free application. Well, I cover it in the later parts of this video. Right now, go to this website and make sure to turn on the desktop site over here. This is the normal site if you are using your phone. If you're using a desktop, then it's going to be fine. But in case you're using a phone, just make sure to turn on the desktop site, because this method only works in the desktop sites. Once you turned on the desktop site, you must connect to a US VPN which provides us with a USA server. I'm just going to connect to New York City. Once we've connected with the VPN, go back over here. Here you will find two options, one to log in and one to sign up. If you do not have an account, just go click on sign up, and if you have an account, just click on login. Once you log in or sign up, you would be redirected to this page. This page is still loading for me. Let's wait. If you already visited this website a few times before, just make sure to clear all the data. Just click over here and delete. Once you deleted all the things, go here and click on create account and make an account. One of the best ways with which you can actually make an account is going to be making an account with Google or Apple. They give you a higher rate of success in making an account. But remember, even when you make an account and follow all the steps which I said in this video, you'd still sometimes, not sometimes, but right now, because of the latest update of 2023, all the times you'll be shown with this specific error. That is, your account requires verification before we can continue to call or text. You can still receive inbound communications. That is, you will be able to receive the incoming SMSs and calls, but you won't be able to make any outbound calls. You'll be given a number, but again, it's going to be unusable as you cannot send any outbound communication things. So you could ask me, what are the ways with which you can actually solve this error? Well, this comes under a separate topic of solving another error. And if you want to learn how to solve this specific error, then I made a separate video showing you guys how to fix this text-free denied by registration abuse detector. So if you just go watch this video, you'll be learning how to solve this specific error. And everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button near the subscribe button in order to see daily updates from my channel. It's me Surya Prakash from Protect Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.